Have you ever noticed what happens when many people suddenly want to buy the same limited item? Its price goes up, right? This simple observation helps us understand how government spending can influence the overall price level in an economy. Government spending can indeed cause demand pull inflation when the increase in aggregate demand, spurred by government expenditure, outpaces the economy's ability to produce goods and services. This type of inflation happens when too much money is chasing too few goods, leading to a general rise in prices. The core mechanism behind this is rooted in how money circulates through an economy. When a government increases its spending, for instance, on infrastructure projects or social programs, it injects additional money into the economy. This newfound purchasing power among individuals and businesses leads to a surge in demand for various products and services. If the economy is already operating close to its full productive capacity, meaning most workers and factories are busy, businesses find it difficult to significantly increase their output in the short term. Facing higher demand and unable to quickly expand supply, firms respond by raising prices for their existing goods and services. Understanding this dynamic means recognizing the economic conditions under which government spending might be inflationary. It highlights a critical trade-off that policymakers often face between stimulating economic growth and maintaining price stability. If the economy has a large amount of unused resources, sometimes called a negative output gap, increased government spending can boost output without significantly raising prices. However, if the economy is already at or above its potential output, adding more demand will primarily lead to inflation. Economists often discuss the concept of an output gap, which is the difference between an economy's actual output and its potential output when all resources are fully employed. When government spending occurs in an economy with a significant negative output gap, it can help utilize idle resources and stimulate growth without causing much inflation. However, if the economy is at its full employment equilibrium, meaning it is producing at its maximum sustainable level, any additional government spending can quickly push aggregate demand beyond what the economy can supply, directly leading to demand pull inflation. Ultimately, the connection between government spending and demand pull inflation hinges on the economy's current state and its capacity to meet new demand. It is a constant balancing act for fiscal policy, where the goal is to stimulate growth and create jobs without igniting an unsustainable rise in the cost of living for everyone.